Hello everyone, welcome back to the surgical canvas. In this video, we will be discussing about the OMENS and OMENS plus classification for the craniofacial microsomia. Here, plus sign represents the extracranial anomalies and all the 5 features each category has value 0 to 3, 0 for normal and 3 for maximum severe score. So the maximum score for OMENS classification is 15. Now let's briefly discuss the OMENS classification. O stands for orbit. So 0 represents normal eye. 1 represents abnormal orbit size. Size is decreased. 2 inferior represents the affected eye going downward. 2 superior represent affected eye going upward. 3 represent abnormal size and position. Now coming to the mandible. OM. M0 represents normal mandible. M1 represents a small mandible. M2A represents abnormal shape and short ramus, but the glenoid fossa is still normal position. In M2B, there is glenoid fossa which is going medial, inferior and anteriorly. So in M2A, the position of the glenoid fossa is at normal, but in M2B, the glenoid fossa has gone inferiorly. And in M3, there is absent glenoid fossa, no glenoid fossa present. Now coming to ears. Here, E0 represents normal ear, E1 represents mild hypoplasia, but all the structures are present. E2 represents external canal, auditory canal is absent, and E3 represent only lobular remnant present. Now coming to the nerves. In N0 there is no nerve involvement. In N1 only temporal and zygomatic are involved. In N2 there is buccal and mandibular and cervical involvement present. And in N3 all the branches T, Z, B, M, C, temporal, zygomatic, buccal, mandibular, cervical, all the branches are involved. Now coming to the S. Here for S0 there is no deficit of soft tissue. In S1 there is minimal deficit of soft tissue. In S2 there is moderate deficit of soft tissue, and in S3 there is severe deficit of soft tissue. And plus represent for macrostomia, tessier cleft 7. So C0 represents no cleft. C1 represents a facial cleft, but this cleft terminate medial to the anterior border of the masseter. In C2 the cleft terminates lateral to anterior border of masseter.